Hey guys, how are you doing today? For those who follow my post, last week I shared that I'm finally reuniting with my family that I haven't seen for almost 5 years, and I'm reuniting for this holiday season. But I also, meanwhile, I got so sick, I couldn't record any videos as of today. But I'm finally feeling better, and I hope you appreciate the content that I'm gonna share with you today, as I think this video is really important. And as usual, like and subscribe to the channel. I wanted to debunk some of the popular theories told by LinkedIn gurus who endorse using it the same way as it was 10 years ago. So when it comes to LinkedIn today, landing a job doesn't depend on those popular and completely ineffective and time-wasting theories and tips that don't work anymore. The biggest problem that I personally have with LinkedIn is that since its existence, LinkedIn failed to add verification features and fact-checking features that would make the social network actually work for both employers and job seekers, and instead they keep relying on social proof like endorsing you on someone else's behalf, and the mere fact that LinkedIn still welcomes CV uploads in Word format, not in another format that you would prefer, is kind of a joke in this technologically advanced times like we live in today, which makes LinkedIn so stagnant over the years that fails to deliver what was initially a good idea to help connect job seekers and professionals and open everybody's professional boundaries. I am an introvert and I feel overwhelmed and intimidated when I read popular recommendations that in order to get visibility of your LinkedIn profile, you need to post up to 5 times per day and optimize your LinkedIn profile to please the LinkedIn search algorithm. So this is definitely not my way to get a job. So my 4 tips on how you really can use LinkedIn are very simple, and it will save you tons of efforts and time. So tip number 1, keep your LinkedIn profile clean and tidy, no matter what people tell you to do. People are very judgmental, especially if you consider that 40% of the US LinkedIn users are age 46 plus years old, which is insane in my view. So tip number 2, turn on your job alerts on LinkedIn. Turning on your job preferences will tell LinkedIn which jobs to recommend you in the future. So another great feature is that LinkedIn has an option to send you email alerts for recommended jobs, and you don't have to waste your time visiting this platform and getting distracted, and sometimes even get a feeling that you're getting behind your competition, decreasing your self-esteem and motivation. Start a new email specifically for job search and avoid personal inbox spamming. Tip number 3, connect with the specific people that you think will help you get your foot in the door. So forget about connecting with recruiters. It doesn't work anymore, guys. Connect with employees, your future colleagues, and after that you can connect with the recruiter. And tip number 4, and thank you for getting to the gist of this video, is actually to find email addresses of your LinkedIn network so that you could send the resume directly to the person's email. So in order to scrape an email address on LinkedIn, you have to export the email list that comes from your settings. And for that, you need to first connect with a person, then go to your data privacy settings, then create a report and download the email list that you will receive to your email in just 10 minutes. And then craft your perfect personalized email and attach your CV and wait for the magic to happen. And unfortunately, you will not see all the contact emails of your network, but only those who agreed to share it. But it's better than nothing, and it's better than wasting your time on LinkedIn. Yes, it's 100% legal because by default, LinkedIn users give their consent to make their information visible either to their first-degree connections, second-degree connections, or anyone on LinkedIn. So using this attention gap, you can turn things to your benefit and even get an email of a CEO or a VP, and this is gonna be one hell of a referral to the HR department that you're targeting at, and this will make you a very strong job candidate. And for this reason, I still believe that LinkedIn is useful in job search today, and I think you can get your foot in the door not signing up to something fake or wasting your time while job searching, by being socially active and engaging in the meaningless conversations with strangers who don't give a damn about you, but you have to like play those LinkedIn games. And after all, LinkedIn should serve you, not take your time and demotivate you. So comment down below what you think about LinkedIn. Did you get a job through it? Like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell not to miss my future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.